if you pick one, there's raspberry, lemon, wild cherry, watermelon, and strawberry. If you eat it, you have to taste it. Which flavor it is? Wait, strawberry. I don't know which one I got, so I'm gonna grab it. Raspberry lemon. So another one. Got this one. The tin looks delicious. It looks nasty, but no. It's brown. See, brown. Mm. Mm. Okay, just leave. I don't know what to do. I wanna do. Oh, I actually like a strawberry. A dark one. So I'm gonna taste it. Whoa. Jeez. Oh, got the best taste. Right one. It's good. See this? I got a dark one. Got a great taste. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video. And put a comment and put thumbs up. And yeah. Bye bye.